Hi guys!
Welcome to our vlog.
Ako si Minami.
And I'm Fred and we are
Frenami! Yay! You!
For today's video, we will continue the part 3 of how I became couple with my Japanese wife. Last 2 episodes, medyo kulang pa yung story behind our relationship, kung paano kami naging couple. For today's video, we will continue. Are you ready? Ano?
First question. When I was in Japan and you were in the Philippines, how did we communicate each other?
We communicate with each other through line during work and messenger
After work.
after work.
We didn't call.
We didn't.
We
We call.
sometimes called. We sometimes called.
Demo call no hanashi wa
いつもプログラムの話。
Monday no shigoto no ken. So during that time we're still professional.
Next question. What kind of message did we send each other every day? Every day?
Every day
Of course, about work.
about work.
And after work, I still remember you sent me, what are you doing?
Emoji.
覚えてないのしかも絵文字がさ、この絵文字。Like, what are you doing? Did you eat dinner? And then I feel like, why you send me message and not about work?
That I'm feel like I'm courting you, like attention ga hoshit.
Next question. What did you think when you heard I will resign my job? I think before resign, 辞める可能性あるっていう話したよね。
Yamitay hanashi kita to sad and shock. How about you?
Me? なんで仕事を辞めるか、その理由はフィリピンに行って働きたいからじゃん。だから、私にとっては別にそんなサッとでもないし、ショックでもなんでもない。フィリピンで働きたい。フィリピンに住みたい。だから、今の仕事を辞めて、フィリピンで違う仕事を見つけて働く。そしたらあなたにも会えるしって思ってた。でも、一つ心配なことがあって、私がフィリピンで働いたとしても、あなたは日本で働きたいっていうふうに前言ってたじゃん。
そうだね。
で、ビザもなんかプロセス中みたいな。言ってたからすれ違う可能性があると思ったんだけど、でももしすれ違う可能性があったとしても少しでも早くなんかフィリピンに行きたかったし、あなたとも会いたかったね。
だから早くフィリピン行った。Okay, let's proceed. Hi.
Did we think we will meet again someday?
Yes, naisip ko na yon na magkikita kami in the Philippines. Since I heard that you're resigning and you have planned to go to the Philippines, what you're Anatawa?
私、もちろんそうでしょ。そのために。
Yeah!
Next question. How many months were we apart from each other? How many months?
1 month?
Next question.
Hi.
How did we reunite?
We reunite again in the airport. You
Because-
messaged me flight details and then you requested me to pick up Dane. That time, I know that there's company ship will work because you told me that you already hired the show and then the company will provide house. But after that, you said that you advance go to the Philippines 1 week since the company can provide the condominium. June 23 and then 1 week hanggang end ng June wala siyang stayan pa. So, July 1 yun yung punta mo. You will go to the condominium, di ba? To transfer. So for that 1 week, when I heard that you don't have stay, I offered you a house where you can stay. So yun yung place na yun, yung bahay namin sa San Mateo. Where may 1 room kasi doon na hindi ginagamit. So not to use your money, you don't need to rent or book hotel. I offered yung bahay namin sa San Mateo. And then you said,
Yes.
yes, agad-agad. So
Next question. How did we feel the moment we met each other again?
after seeing you from the airport going to our house, I feel like kincho.
Kincho?
Because di ko alam, for me di ko alam kung ano yung pinapasok ko that time. Kumbaga, tama ba yung gagawin ko? Tama ba tong ginagawa ko? Tama ba tong ino-offer ko? Kasi parang sumusugal ako eh. Sabi ko, bahala na si Batman. Siguro baka pwede naman. Baka naman mag-work yung gantong setup. So yun, even I invited you to the house and then you went there. I don't know what will happen because sunotokoro wa kinjo-san, sundero shi, iro-iro na uwasa, dero kamo. So, 'di ba, madami makakakita pag may Japanese na tumira dun sa bahay. Kumbaga, iba-iba yung na-feel ko during that time. Kaba, takot, hiya. Demo, somehow I proud that meron akong Japanese na kasama sa bahay. But we're not ng ka-official couple that time. And then we're not in the same room that time. She sleep with her own room. How about you?
私はサンマテオにコンドミニアムみたいな家があると思ってたから気持ち的には別に何も思わない。でもあなたのお母さんとお父さんに会ったりとかする時にこれあるじゃん、この文化これ、
マノン
その文化は知ってたからやった方がいいとかあなたに聞いたじゃん、これやった方がいいのかみたいなとかちょっといろいろ確認してて、緊張はしてないけど心配だった、初めてフィリピン人の家族に会うからどうやって接したらいいか心配だった。間違ったことしないかなとか、失礼なことしないかなとか。日本の文化だったらお土産持ってったりとか渡したりするのね。つまらないものですがとか言って。でもフィリピンってそういう文化ないから、どうしたらいいのか分かんなかったね。で家着いた瞬間コンドミニアムじゃなかったからすごいびっくりした。シャワーないじゃん。タボで初めてやったし。なんだっけリザード
ボテケリザード。
わかる？もういて、ベッドの上にね。みたいな。そんな体験で全てがびっくりして、なんかどうやってこの1週間生きていけばいいんだろうって。あなたなしでは生きられなかったかもしれない。何もわかんないから全部初めてだったから。Next question. What was your family's first reaction?
Tatay and nanay was excited and shocked that you're too beautiful. They're asking, is that your girlfriend? Or I said no. And then, are you sure that that girl will stay in our house? Iron na shit someone.
Next question.
Hi.
Was the language barrier? Was the family difficult?
Sorry, for the side of my family, of course, it's difficult because they don't know how to communicate with you. They don't know if you speak English or no. And then, if their English is correct. Because, diba Tagalog sila eh, they're using Filipino. So, it's hard for them to communicate with you in pure English. That's why tango-tango no ego. Hanashiteru. Ano to ba?
私もディフィカルだったよ。ナナイとタタイはI could communicate with them in English, でば Even tango-tango. It was okay. But for kids, they couldn't speak English, でば They tried to communicate with me in Tagalog and then my reactions, 全然答えられなくて。でも、even I cannot speak Tagalog, even they cannot speak English, that was fine because なんか仲良くなったでしょ。すごいなんか話しかけてくれて楽しかったし、どっか出かける時もなんかついてきたいとか言ったりして、なんかずっと話しかけてくれて、その時になんかすごいフィリピン人の家族っていいなって思った。だからなんかわかんないな、喋れないけどみんななんか大好きになった。今まであなたしかいなかったわけじゃん。だけどその時にあなたじゃなくてこうなった。全部になった。全部が大好き。あなたが大好きじゃなくて全部が大好き。みんなあったかい。本当にいい人。もっと話したい。もっと仲良くなりたい。つながりたいって。そうって思った。Next question. Who confessed first? What language was the confession in? What exactly did we say?
So I will explain. It's not easy na maging couple kami on that span of 1 week. you stay in our house, and then that time we don't have official label then and then from that time that Sunday we went to Makati. We went to Makati nang check the kaisha no office, di ba?
Mayawa na yun eh.
Mayawa na yun. So not to get lost, we went there. And then after that we eat together lunch, and then ride MRT. Iron na Keiken. Staying with you together, it grows little by little. The way that I saw her accepting the life that what I let her to see. Kasi hindi biro yung stay for a week in San Mateo, and then we wake up 5 a.m. We ride the van, yung pa Cubao, and then from Cubao sasakay kami ng MRT. And then pauwi, ganun din yung setup, MRT, van hanggang San Mateo. And yung struggle that time, yun yung na-appreciate ko. In the van, when you're tired at work, I know that it's hard because you slept. Like, and then gumaganon siya sa like Juan na. And then naaawa ko kasi ganon siya, nasa likod kasi kami nakaupo, ganito yung niya, and then I let you to sleep with my ganito. And then that time I started to hold her hand, and then start for 1 week only.
1 week couple.
one week couple. There's a lot of like you can go out, diba? You can choose to stay in Airbnb or in a hotel, and then leave early in our house, but you keep staying with me. That's why that time, this person accepting my my life, where I came from, what family I have, and then I feel like you love my family. Because the way you communicating with tatay and nanay and to my sibling. So I want to court you, like, do you accept me in spite of what I have in life? Unti-unti hanggang sa napol na ako sa kanya, and then yun. The plan is I will send you only in your condominium in Makati. But since you offer me to stay with you, I said yes, agad-agad. Wala nang patumtik-tumtik pa. When the time that you asked me that if I want to live with you, sabi ko, okay, eto na yun.
でも、聞かれると思わなかったでしょ?
I don't expect that she will ask me.
その時まだ告白どっちもしてないけど、もう多分これはカップルだなっていう風に思った。私の気持ちはね。日本だったら人によるけど、付き合う前とか一緒に暮らす前とか、好きです付き合ってくださいとかなんか言うわけよ。フィリピンはわかんないけど、同じけど私たちはお互いの気持ちがまだ伝えてないけど、一緒にこれからも新しい家で2人で住むって、自然となったよね。そうで
when we're in the in that condominium, I confess.
And then when we are sleep だっけ、and then you hug me, and then you say
I love you. Pero hindi siya naging ganun kadali, no? Kasi kumbaga for a week, span of 1 week, kumbaga hindi ko din alam kung may nafe-feel din ba siya sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung mahal niya ba ako or what. But I told you what's inside of my heart, what I feel that time. So
でもさ、I love you って言った時に私がさI'm sorry っていう可能性もあったわけじゃん。どういう気持ちで I love you って言ったの?
During that time, I feel like nervous if because rejection kaya para I know that whatever will happen. Kung ano yung nakaplan, kumbaga ano yung tinadhana ni God.
でも私嬉しかったそれ。
When I say love you that time. なんで
だってずっと言ってほしかったから一緒にいたいなって思ったし、ナナイとかタタイが You don't have to go to the Makati condominium, you can stay here forever. They say that, so I feel like I'm already newer from you.
Belong. Kasako no naka.
そう。でも子供たちも大好きで可愛くて、ローカルの家に住んでいろいろびっくりしたけど、すごく楽しかったのね。だからどこに住むとか何を持ってるとか関係なくて、誰と一緒にいるっていうのが一番大事なんだなっていうふうに思った。でそれをめっちゃ気づかせてくれた。そう そう。でもっとフィリピン大好きになって、だからあなたと一緒に付き合いたいっていうか、一緒に家族になりたいっていう風に思った。なんか初めての気持ちだったかもしれない。
Na naman.
そう。
Kumbaga, sumagal ako, sinubukan ko, and then, syempre madami kang pwedeng mangyari. Like, if you fail or no, at least tinry mo. I follow my heart, kumbaga, and mind. Na, okay lang yan. Kung masaktan, edi masasaktan. If I get hurt, I will get hurt. If I get love, it's love. So, whatever's happen. Parang, no, kanggay ka kasi matake. That's how we become couple. In a short span of 1 week.
ショートスパン1 week だけど、
1 week だけど、but we're working
Together, diba?
Like, we know each other
personally とか、
for almost 4 months. 4 じゃないのか。6 months.
6 months
We know each other for 6 months.
大事なのは時間じゃないじゃん。どれくらいその時間の中で濃い時間、
そうだね。
どんなことをしたかとか、そういうことが大事だと思う。
Ayun yung naging part ng how I become couple with my Japanese wife. So, hindi pa doon nagtatapos. We still want to share with you how we fight with our relationship in despite of lot of hearsay and how do we get married. We also want to share with you kung ano yung mga naging struggles namin and happenings sa life namin. So, hindi na namin ito papahabain. See you on our next video. Bye-bye!